Meanwhile, in just one day, Tamil Nadu's Omicron tally has jumped from 1 to 34, with 33 new cases being reported today. All the positive patients are being treated at the hospital. Mirror Now's Mugilan spoke to the Health Secretary on the state's Omicron strategy.
கொரோனா தொற்று குறைஞ்சிருச்சு, பாதிப்பில்லை, பயம் இல்லாமல் போச்சு. ஆனாலும் கூட அடுத்து ஒமைக்ரான் வருதுங்கிறத அவங்களுக்கு தொடர்ச்சியாக நம்ம அறிவுறுத்தி நிற்கிறோம். நிச்சயம் ஒரு பெரிய அளவிலான விழிப்புணர்வும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் ஏற்படுத்தப்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அண்மையிலே கூட இந்த தடுப்பூசி போடும் பணியில் கொஞ்சம் சுணக்கமாக இருந்த மாவட்டங்கள் ராணிப்பேட்டை, திருப்பத்தூர், வேலூர்ல நாம் போய் சம்பந்தப்பட்ட தன்னார்வலர்கள், தன்னார்வ தொண்டு நிறுவனங்கள், சமய தலைவர்கள் எல்லாரையும் வச்சு ஒரு பெரிய கூட்டம் நடத்தி அவங்களுக்கு அங்கே விழிப்புணர்வு ஏற்படுத்தியிருக்கிறோம். அடுத்து அது மாதிரி மயிலாடுதுறையில் பண்ண போகிறோம், மதுரையிலையும் பண்ண போகிறோம். எங்களுக்கு ஒரு 6-7 மாவட்டங்களில் மட்டும்தான் இதில் கொஞ்சம் பின்னடைவு இருக்குது. அதையும் நாங்கள் புஷ் பண்ணிடுறோம்.
Omicron variant cases has been identified, has been reported in Tamil Nadu today, and along with the previous one case, 34 cases has been reported in Tamil Nadu, and we are joined by Tamil Nadu Health Secretary to brief us about. Sir, can you explain us and give us a breakup of number of cases that have been reported in Tamil Nadu today?
See, totally 33 cases have been confirmed. Already they were COVID positive. And from international travelers, we had 114 COVID positives, including their contacts. You know, some of the non-risk country people, they had gone back home, so their contacts. Out of the 114, 57 had reported SGN drop. Out of that, all these samples were processed and sent. NIV Pune, earlier they have confirmed one. Yesterday they have confirmed 33 more. So totally 34 cases, of which 26 belong to Chennai. Say one is from Salem, one has gone to Kerala, we are cross-notifying. 4 are from Madurai and 2 are from Tiruvannamalai. Apart from that, all these, 114 patients who had come, 114 persons who had tested positive and their contacts, they are all in hospitals, out of which 23 are discharged. Balance 91 are there in hospital, 78 are in government, and remaining are in private hospital. Even these cases, 34 cases are at present, daily we get the medical report, they are either asymptomatic or with mild symptom. However, we are not taking any chances, and we have put 24/7 medical teams to monitor it.
So Tamil Nadu was the first state to write to the Union Health Ministry seeking more restrictions in airports, sir. And is there any reply from the Union government on the letter what we have wrote to the Union?
No. See, the Directorate of Public Health had said that, if we can introduce home quarantine to even for non-risk countries, except for business travelers, we will be consulting. There are Government of India also will be taking opinions from everybody.
And let me go across to Mugilan, who's joining us for more details. Mugilan, this is, quite concerning at this point in time, the fact that 33 new cases have come to light in a matter of a day. Obviously, right now, the contact tracing, it becomes all the more crucial to perhaps see how far this could have spread.
Definitely, out of 53 samples that were sent for genomic sequencing, now 33 results have come, and all the 33 cases have been identified with the Omicron variant, and we already know Tamil Nadu has reported one case. So far the total have rose to 34 in the state, and what we are hearing from the health department officials is that more than 4,200 people have been identified through contact tracing, and all of them have been isolated, is what we are hearing from the health secretary. And the results of 23 more people also have been awaited, and all these 23 people also have dropped in the SGN value. So now the Tamil Nadu Health Department keeping watch on this situation, and they also say that they're taking all possible steps to contain the spread, because they say they have did an extensive contact tracing, and that is why they have identified more than 4,000 people, and all are being isolated. And even the clinical condition of these 34 people are now said to be stable. And when we spoke with the health secretary, he also have confirmed today evening few patients who have tested positive for Omicron will be discharged, is what we are hearing, and they are waiting for result of an exit test, and those patients will be discharged today, is what we are hearing from the Health Secretary. And following this, the Chief Secretary is also today holding a meeting with all the district secretaries because, as you rightly pointed out, we have seen that there is a sharp spike, more than 33 cases being reported in a single day. So the Chief Secretary also have called for a meeting with the district collectors to take stock of the situation and also to review about the medical infrastructure in all the districts, because we already know that there are more than 1,14,000 beds that are available in the state, but the preparedness is what been discussed by the Health Secretary is what we could, by the Chief Secretary is what we could hear from the people in the Health Department.
All right, Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with those details.